Apple is finally stepping into the AI war, and it's making headlines. While Google, Microsoft, and even Meta went full throttle on AI years ago, Apple stayed unusually silent. But in 2025, that silence just broke, and Apple might be planning something much bigger than anyone expected. For years, Apple avoided the AI hype. No ChatGPT competitor, no viral chatbot, no flashy announcements. Why? Because Apple played the long game. They focused on privacy-first design, hardware optimization, and making sure AI fits seamlessly into your device, not the cloud. They didn't want half-baked features. They waited for the tech and the moment to be right. Now, Apple's entering the AI arena with full force. At WWDC 2025, leaks suggest Apple will introduce a rebuilt Siri that actually understands context, on-device AI that runs offline fast and private, and integration with OpenAI or Anthropic for enhanced capabilities. And it's not just iPhones. Expect AI inside Macs, iPads, and even the Apple Vision Pro. Imagine your phone writing messages, scheduling appointments, or editing videos, all with voice and context. Here's the twist. Apple isn't just copying ChatGPT. They're betting on on-device intelligence, meaning your data stays with you. No internet needed, no privacy compromises. It could make Apple the only big tech company offering advanced AI with real security. That's a game changer in a world where trust in AI is fading fast. So is Apple late to the AI game? Or are they about to dominate it in their own way? This might be Apple's biggest shift, since the iPhone subscribed to Globe Pulse Facts. For more fresh updates on the future of tech, because this AI war is just getting started.